Welcome to the YouTube channel for Trotec USA.
Check out our tutorials and tech videos about laser cutting and engraving. Our laser experts will show you some amazing projects made with Trotec machines and engraving material. Learn how we make products made from wood, paper, plastics, metal, glass, and much more. Check out our customer videos in which businesses from all over the world explain how they use their Trotec laser machines. From engraving shops, promotional companies to makers, design schools, and many others. See our wide selection of engraving supplies and their different applications. Interact with our laser engineers and tech experts, ask questions, and learn more about laser cutting and engraving. So subscribe to our channel to see more amazing videos. Hope to see you there.